All right, this would be case D 522-587, the Westby case, correct? All right. Apparently you have reached at least some agreements, not all agreements. Is that accurate, or is this everything?
It's almost there. We're almost there. And doing well.
Doing well?
Yes.
That's good. Are you done using the UNLV program, or would you like to go back to then have them help you finalize later on? Or, here's the thing: if
Would this be before?
there comes and the reason I ask it that way, there comes a point where if you guys, the only thing I can do as a judge, if you guys can't reach an agreement, I can't step back and be a mediator and do that. That's not my job. I adjudicate. So if you guys can't work out the balance between yourselves, I mean, I'm sure they would probably assist you with a little bit more on another date if there's other stuff or other information you need to get to be able to come to a final resolution. Or you guys can always reach your own resolution, because the only other option I have is to set it for a short trial. And then you have to learn how to be attorneys and present evidence and testimony and things like that. And sometimes that can be very difficult.
We go off. We get lost in the weeds in all of the stuff that we couldn't work out.
Okay?
We really need the help.
The help from them, or?
Mediate, yeah. Especially the last few things.
Okay.
I would really prefer that.
That's.
I don't know what you want.
I'll just look back at the program. Are you okay to assist them in doing that again later on?
Of course we would.
Okay, wonderful.
If you could get a date from Department L, that'd be awesome. If you can't, feel free to have the parties call UNLV direct.
We'll have them do what they typically do. Is we'll try to get that right now.
Get that date.
What I am going to do right now, though, however, apparently you've both reviewed and signed off on a stipulation order on the things that you could agree to. Is that correct? All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and sign that. We're going to file that for you in open court, give you copies of that. Due to the fact that you've acknowledged on the record that you've signed it, I'm just simply going to interlineate through the acknowledgement portions. Oops, except for that part. You guys do not have no kids, right?
We have two.
Did we already deal with the kids?
My son had an interview yesterday,
Okay.
and the adult doesn't speak.
I see that. I see we're back on April 5th, it looks like, on that issue. Okay. Well, you go ahead and sign this.
Can we handle that differently? He needs to see us on April 5th. Can we figure out, because we haven't done the mediation for the visitations and all that.
That's next month.
That's the next one.
That's next month.
All right, I didn't want to be the fix. I shouldn't have marked through that space right there. Other than that, the interlineation was correct. And actually, this is attached, Madam Clerk, as the last page.
He's got to come home and get back
At least a
into the
week.
routine.
At least a week, maybe two.
Okay.
Yeah, not a problem.
Yeah, it looks good. I'm sorry about that. I'm gonna make this a little deeper though, because this is the only paragraph right here.
Oh, okay.
I got 3 dates from them.
We'll start with you. Prefer the afternoon like you had now, or you prefer the
Whatever he needs. He's whatever he wants to do.
It's, afternoon is okay, just Monday or Tuesday.
Right.
'Cause those are my days off.
You want to go ahead and file that? And I'll get a copy.
So I work Wednesday through Saturday.
Afternoons is April 19th at 12:30. The other 2 sessions I have are at 5 p.m.
What is this for?
That would be for, we're going to have a return on April 5th. Not to throw so many dates out at you, but you do have a pending return date from FMC on that day. That's regarding
1:30.
the child. The other date is to continue on to see if you can reach the final resolution on your financial stuff.
Okay, April 19th.
Yes.
Okay.
And if you I'll note for the record that we already have on file an affidavit of resident witness, so we wouldn't need that.
I don't know yet. I don't know yet.
So
You know what time? 12:30. Okay.
Yes, at 12:30.
So if in fact, we'll see what happens on the 5th regarding custody, whether you guys have reached an agreement on that or not. And then on the 19th, if you reach a final agreement on your financial stuff, then again, you already have on record an affidavit of resident witness. We can get you divorced on that day if everything gets done. Okay? Do you guys have any other questions for today? All right. Appreciate the UNLV and your assistance today. Listen, any little bit helps, and it looks like you got quite a few agreements on the record. So we're going to wait for 1 second. We're going to file it, actually give you copies so you don't have to come back and file it at the clerk's office. Okay?
Yeah, you can go ahead and go on.
What's that?
Can I go and he'll get the copies?
Yeah.
And just
Thank
give me
you very
both
much.
sets
Thank
and
you
I'll.
for everything. Thank you.
All right. Thank them. They're the ones who
Oh,
have
yeah.
donated their time to assist you guys, so they're the ones to really thank.